Hello friends, welcome to our channel Stocks Factor. Hope you are doing well. Friends, this will be a very short video in which I am going to discuss about the rally which has happened today, that is on 18th of February 2021. So friends, if you remember that yesterday only we post the video of the part 2, that is option chain and OI analysis in the derivative analysis series videos, and we took the stock analysis use cases and specifically we took the example of Bank of Baroda, right? And we mentioned that as per the option chain data, it has given the breakout because we saw a lot of call unwinding at 80 price and 85 strike prices. And today only you see that the Bank of Baroda has almost rallied more than 11%. So let's quickly analyze that what actually happened. So as you can see on your screens that I am on the Stocks Factor dashboard and I will quickly jump to the stocks analysis page. So friends, now I am on the stocks analysis page and I've already filtered the Bank of Baroda and the default time frame is 3 months. So let's quickly jump to the option chain data and let's see what actually happened. So yesterday in the video we discussed about that. If you see the option chain analysis, so if you see that at the 80 strike prices we saw there was a huge call writing, but what happened yesterday, you see that at this strike price 80 there was a huge call writing, but huge call winding took place and more puts were written as compared to calls at the strike price 80. And we discussed, if you see our previous video, that you could see the OI change here. We saw the OI change for the last day and we saw huge call unwinding, and today also we see similar, and we mentioned in that video that Bank of Baroda has broken the range of 78 to 82 and now it can go higher. And today only we saw very smart rally, very strong rally in Bank of Baroda, and you see it was followed by the call unwinding at higher strike prices also, that is 85 and 90. And now you see there has been put writing also, aggressive put writing at 90 strike price. So it means people are now bullish at Bank of Baroda. And if you also see the futures data, you will relate to it that there was a huge short covering and huge cash market buying. So the smart players are taking the delivery of this particular stock. You can see huge delivery for the past 2 days and there has been a huge short covering with aggressive put writing and call unwinding. So friends, the point why I wanted to show you this is, so you have to not only look one data in isolation, but you have to relate every data. So you have to relate the option chain data with the cash market and the futures data in order to build a full picture that what actually is going on in that stock and what the smart players are doing in that particular stock. So in this way, when you study the stock in detail in such holistic way, whatever trades you take, those will be high probability trades and you will avoid the over trading. You don't have to trade every day. You will take less trades, but those trades will be very high probability trades. So friends, this is only what I wanted to show you. If you have any questions regarding this video, please post your questions on the comment section and we will definitely answer your questions. And please do subscribe to our channel Stocks Factor so that you follow our videos which we have already posted in the derivative analysis series videos, in which we have discussed in detail each and every indicator which we have shown in our dashboard. And if you want to get the access to our dashboard, you can drop us an email. The email ID is given in the about section. You can drop us an email and we will send you the link of this particular dashboard, which is already open for the free trial version until 31st of March. So friends, see you in another video. Take care and goodbye.